let's go over the mixture of Godzilla and Jason. I'm gonna actually kind of talk you through it, so let's get started. I'm gonna do more of like a profile image. I think that's good. Maybe a little bit slightly 3/4. I'm not really sure yet. I'm a huge Godzilla fan, huge Jason fan, so this is gonna be a lot of fun for me. First thing I'm gonna do here is I'm actually gonna start with kind of the hole on Jason's face, and I'm going to kind of change the shape of it a little bit, kind of to make it more of a Godzilla shaped mask. Over here, up, down for the top of the brow, because that's a good idea to do that. Let me see. My other marker is kind of dry. Let me see if I can. There you go. This one's better. Down, out. Gonna pull back over here. Curve. Right here for kind of the top of the snout, and I'm gonna have his mask pretty much mostly over the top, over here. Curve back. Curve over here. And I'm going to add some spikes kind of going off the page over there. A little bit over here. Curve open over here for the mouth. And I'm actually going to throw bottom line of the inner of the mouth. So it's going to be like Godzilla wearing it for the most part. Curve over here. Line down, or kind of the bottom of the mouth opening up. Then over here, curve back, back of the jaw. Maybe pull the jaw a little bit more. Right now it looks kind of like a duck, right? But we gotta pull a line out, right there. Maybe out a little bit more. Curving a line over here. And kind of widening this out. The spikes are kind of over here. They're kind of off the page. And let's start with his teeth now. So curved teeth down, and for the most part, it's gonna be like a close-up of his face. If you ever want like a full, version of his like body for this, let me know, and I'll totally make it happen. Curve over here. Godzilla's not known for his tongue, but line over here. And line in the back for the back side of that mouth, and I'm going to fill that in. Line, line. Line over here. Curve, curve. Kind of looking for the scales a little bit, right? Maybe the bottom of the neck. Line over here, line over here, line over here, line over here for kind of that kind of snake belly that Godzilla has. Circle over here, and I'm going to fill that in because there's kind of like deep recesses of the mask. And with Godzilla, there's not much of that. I'll put a little bit right there for the lower lid. Line over here for kind of the design. He's got this triangle in the center of his head, line across. Don't forget, if you like the mixtures here, definitely hit the subscribe and click the bell notification. I'm going to do a lot more. Circle over here. Curve and only fill in part of that, so you see the 3D-ness of that hole. Go over here, it's gonna be 3 on this side. Circle, circle, circle. And I'm actually gonna curve right here, fill in the bottom. Curve right here, because we want to see the thickness of the plastic, that mask. And maybe we can throw another one over here on this side. Curve right there and fill in most of it except for that area. Curve over here, fill it in. Line, line, line for kind of that part of this mask as well. And I'm just going to fill that in. It's going to be black and white on this one. Alright. Going to go over here on this side. Curve for kind of the scales on the back. Again, they're going to go off the page there. I'm just going to do mostly a headshot. Line underneath here for the zygomatic arch below there, or I guess a jugo bone and a lizard. And from this point on, I'm going to be looking at more like just detail oriented. So let's put some shadow under his neck. Like right here. Think of like other Godzilla like features, which would be, well, I mean, he's got the skin right here as he opens his mouth. If you really want, you could really just like, you could throw a laser out of there, but I don't know if I'm gonna do that. You know, I'm thinking about it. Let's see. I guess it would have to be a different color. Let's see. It would have to be green, right? Because I want it to be kind of Jason. Let me look for color here. Alright, let's do a color real quick right here. Just zigzag out of his mouth. Right here. Right here. It's kind of letting that shoot out there, but the majority of him is going to be black and white. I'm pretty serious about keeping it black and white. Let's go over here now for the mask. Pull line back. Back. I'm going to fill that in, right? That's the circle right there. Line back here as well, because there's usually a strap right there. Fill that in. If you really want, you could throw another hole here on the head and fill that in. And kind of some curvature over here, but not a bunch. So now I'm going to be going over here because I'm going to be throwing some texture on his, don't forget, by the way, hit the main site. It's sketchingeasy.com if you want to learn everything in general about drawing, not just you know, drawing one thing. You can learn how to draw everything with it. Go take a look. Line on over here. Line over here. Fill that out over here. Maybe some shadow from the mask. And for the most part, it's just kind of going over detail like this, right? Little textures to make it look like these little curves. These little curves all over the place-ish to give the impression of scales, right? Right here as well, underneath that mask. And you can kind of keep going with this like all day. You can keep throwing these little nicks and scratches. If you want to learn how I do these little nicks and scratches, absolutely go check out again my, you know, my no, not my, I mean basically the website pretty much. It's kind of like a lot of people are contributing to it, so go take a look at that, and if you really want, like, go do that or Skillshare. That's pretty much it. I'm gonna leave it black and white. That's what I wanted to do, and thank you so much. I will talk to you next time, and I hope you enjoy that. See you later.